You seem to have lost your password. You put your email and your password, or what you thought was your password, but it's just not working. Well, if you created your account before CampaignTrackly migrated to Auth0, that is, before the login sign-up page looked like this, then you might need to take a different route of recovering your password or changing it. Instead of going to Forgot Password, we're going to have to go to Sign Up. Of course, making sure that you've copy-pasted the exact same email address that you've used. This is important. You take that email address, you sign up with that email address, just making sure, lovely, same one, and you create a new username and password. Doesn't matter what the username and password are, and then you can continue. Then you'll be asked to verify your email. There we are. We received a verification email at the exact same address, and now we can confirm it. And now we can go back to CampaignTrackly, and we are routed back to the exact same account we had with the exact same campaigns that we had.